Thutha wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi kuruta mukana wa gufuta wira aruti wira ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri guku Nairobi, riu maabitha ya ugima wa mwiri ni macokire barabara-ini ro ringi rita riri makiamba hema nja ya wabici cia Governor Johnson Sakaja maria arigitani ikiro ngurani na moigite matikugura guoya uria marenderio na ati maguthie na mbere na kungathiria wira nginyagia riria mateta mao magwetherwo kihonia.
Wakati hiyo mshahara ile siku wanataka kukata bata turudi kazi, semeni shame. So we are not going to be comfortable sitting signing return to work agreements and they don't agree, they don't implement, they don't honor it.
Inakuaje wakati mna employ you refer to the schemes of services, but when it comes to deployment and promotions mnataka kuleta circulars zenu? Haiwezekani.
Let the governor know that this time loud we are not relenting.
Hamwe na mateta marigitania yani kwaga kwambatirio ngathi wira-ini wao gukorwo matakuheo utungata wa insurance cia ugima wa mwiri, mishara yao gucerithirio na mbeca iria marengagwo mishara-ini kwaga kurekererio kuria cibatie guthie.
Another issue is the unions which have not been given recognition agreements.
How can a health worker be issuing a health care services to general public, yet this healthcare worker is not covered? We cannot have staff stagnating in same job groups for 10 years. That is incompetence.
If it is promotions, letters must come out.
Ningĩ no matetete ni kwaga kurihwo mbeca iria mabatie ni kurihwo thutha wa ruhonge rwa NMS gũbunjwo, ona thengia wa gukorwo ni mabatie kurihwo ni kuruta wira ruhonge-ini ruu.
It is now 2 years since NMS were employed on PNP and they have not been given their gratuity.
How can a committee sit for 2 years without resolving the issues of gratuity?
We must be told when they are being paid.
Arigitani aya maugite ati utungata wa ugima wa mwiri thiini wa mathibitari maingi ma muingi guku Nairobi no ukorwo utakuheanwo na ikero iria ciagiriire thutha wao kuigamira thi, undu uria maugite ni ugwati ungetheire muingi wa kaunti ya Nairobi.
Cabros in the hospitals are not order. Having painted hospital walls, that is not order. Bringing CEOs in the facilities to launder and masquander funds is not order.
Kama mnafikiria wale ambao wako hospitali saa hii wako competent, please refer to what happened pale Kawangware.
Maabitha aria marugamirire ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri guku Nairobi maronekana kumurikwo ni marigitari aya makiuga ati nio mathondekete ruthingo rwa kugiririria motungata ma ugima wa mwiri magacira guku Nairobi.
We have been open to discussions. We have met him not once, not twice. He sounds and he looks promising. But kuna wale ameweka hapo to implement. Hapo ndio shida inaanzia.
Hadwina Hakameme TV, retore ya kwa Nikimani Wagujiria.